Hi guys, welcome back to a new Excel demonstration video. This is Will. In this video, I want to show you guys how you can take your pivot table that has your data organized into products and into periods and create sparkline trends from this table, okay? Essentially, what a sparkline is as opposed to a normal figure, right, that displays some trend or like some other kind of graph, right? That like displays some kind of relationship between your variables in a big figure window. A sparkline basically allows us to show that figure, but within a single cell. Okay. So let's have a go at doing that for this list of products across these periods here. Okay. Now to create a sparkline, we're going to have to go up into insert. And then over in sparklines, we're going to select line. Okay. Now from here, we're going to select the data range that we would like to create the sparkline from. Okay. So from this data range, we're going to select our range of returns here across our 5 periods. Okay. Make sure the location we've selected is where you would like to put the sparkline. Okay. Once we've done that, we're going to hit OK. Right. And now we can see that's what the trend looks like across these periods here. Okay. It doesn't necessarily just need to be a line graph. We could also show a column graph. So depending on what sort of values we would like to display, you can either show a line or a column graph. But I'm going to keep with line. Okay. The great thing about this is, like other Excel formulas, if you would like to, you can drag this down as long as the references that you basically want to reference are directly underneath one another. So we can drag this down to show the other ranges as well. Okay. So yeah, that's how you can create a sparkline to show a trend from our pivot table here. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next video.